Hubbell Data Communications Digital Infrastructure Solutions. Reliable data communications solutions. A full spectrum of solutions that includes copper and fiber cabling, residential offering, delivery products, fiber, wireless, grounding and bonding, audio-video, power distribution, network enclosures, and racks and cabinets, all fully integrated and designed to work together, all supported by our direct field sales organization and a first-class network of fully trained, certified installers. In a world where technology continues to change our lives, the increased demands for speed and reliability means the infrastructure choices you make can be the difference between leading-edge performance or falling behind. Integration of data devices in industrial settings, automation, intelligent buildings, IoT analytics, number of IT-connected devices, cloud storage, security, power over Ethernet, and much more that will demand seamless performance. At Hubbell, we are committed to a tradition of excellence in delivering quality, innovation, and long-term reliability. Hubbell offers a broad range of industry-leading products for every aspect of network connectivity and supportive infrastructure. Exceeding standards assures confidence and makes Hubbell the products of choice with our customers. Hubbell Premise Digital Infrastructure Solutions extends their reach from the factory floor to the data communications closet. Our product offering is one that continues to evolve by delivering advanced performance and installation efficiency. Virtually every enterprise and campus environment is home to Hubbell Premise products, hospitality, universities, data centers, commercial enterprise space, stadiums, harsh environments, and much more. Any low-voltage data application is a place that is home to Hubbell products and solutions. Today's commercial buildings are more efficient to build, manage, and maintain. Hubbell is committed to supplying products that add value for contractors, facility owners and managers, as well as tenants. Let's partner to make your buildings intelligent and maximize the data throughput capabilities. Whether high-rise offices or global hotel and resort chains, Hubbell delivers high-performing copper, fiber, metals, and delivery systems throughout the enterprise space. Today's complex IT environment is about empowering your entire enterprise through increased productivity. We are proud to be part of the ever-widening availability of products that play a critical role in enabling the digital revolution. Large data centers rely on quality Hubbell solutions that are designed to exceed expectations and meet the demands of data center designs and construction. From small equipment rooms to Tier 4 data centers, Hubbell offers customers high-performance cable assemblies, cabinets, and connectivity to meet demanding schedules for deployment and commissioning. Healthcare facilities require 100% reliability. Hubbell is one of the most trusted names in the healthcare market, offering many hospital-grade products. Where reliable data transmission is critical, a total Hubbell solution meets the complex challenges of healthcare applications by providing leading-edge performance and aesthetically appealing products. Hubbell products are put through comprehensive and rigorous testing to meet requirements above and beyond the industry. Technology is helping engage students, improve teaching, and facilitate communication. Today's classrooms and learning spaces require comprehensive wall, ceiling, and in-floor solutions that deliver power, data, and AV to a variety of technology devices and equipment. Hubbell's power, data, and AV delivery solutions support everything from state-of-the-art smartboards and projector systems to multimedia technologies, video conferencing, and networking equipment. We expect more from our homes in both comfort and convenience than ever before. Addressing that expectation requires a keen sense of design and functional excellence. Hubbell's Net Select products are the perfect solution for quick, easy, and dependable installs. Hubbell's high-impact systems are more than just connections. They are complete end-to-end communications designed to solve problems in the most punishing environments. Hubbell solutions that are specifically designed for environmental considerations like water, dust, corrosion, vibration, temperature, and tamper-proof features. Harsh environments such as automation, factory floor, food processing, pharmaceutical, and entertainment industry demand specially engineered products to hold up and perform under unusual stress. Our solutions include NEMA 4X, 12, and 13 enclosures, along with IP67 connectivity. Hubbell's cabling systems are supported by our mission-critical program, the industry's most comprehensive 25-year warranty coverage. For more information about Hubbell Premise Solutions, please contact your local territory sales manager or visit our website at hubbell-premise.com.